I got a wicked, wicked cool stove to show you. This is by Traverseon. It's a heavy duty stove, and I mean heavy duty. This is not a backpacking stove. This is something you take car camping. It's something you keep around in case that's HTF. The stove itself weighs 15.9 ounces. I'm actually surprised. I thought it was more than that. It actually comes with this grill, which brings it to 1 pound 2 ounces. It comes with this, so you can run this fuel. 1 pound 3 ounces. It even comes with this case to carry it all in. 1 pound 5 ounces is the grand total. So let me show you what all these gadgets do. Get that out of the way. Now, I have currently got it hooked to butane. And you control it from here. So I'll show you that. And then you light it. Look how nice that looks. Crank it up. This thing puts out, man, majorly. Now, this will cook like this on there. So notice the frying pan cooks fine. Or a big pot, or whatever you got. But if I go to put this on, it's a little cup. It doesn't work. That's why they include this. Okay? So you put that on there, and now that fits fine. Isn't that cool? It's like a little personal grill is what it is. But that is what butane. Let me show you what else it does. Okay. This is propane. You buy from Walmart. You're going to need the adapter. Notice I got an adapter on this, okay? So then, I'm trying to do it quickly so I don't lose my propane. There we go. We've got propane hooked up that quick. So then we turn some of this on. Hear it coming out. Light it. Look at that. Now we're burning propane. That is amazing. That is just amazing. Now, this one, okay, is going to screw on where the screw-on end is, okay? So you just screw it on, put it on there and screw it on. So these are like little adapters, right? See that? And then you run these canned butane. See, this is butane and this is butane. But these might be more affordable. And all you do with these is push it in and turn. And then lay it on its side. That's all you do. That's it. Turn it on, give it some gas. And light it. Now, it does have an automatic light, which I'll show you. I just always prefer using a lighter, if I can find it here. Yeah, here it is here. So, they fix this cord. There we go. Then, the automatic lighter's over here. Yeah. Give it some gas. And look at that. One click, it turns on. It does have the petrol lighter, but I prefer using a lighter. Is what I prefer. So you're going to run propane with the adapter, or butane, or the canned butane with the adapter. And this comes off really easy compared to the others. You just snap this on. Now, this whole thing does break down. How warm is that? Okay. So literally, I squeeze it in. Is what I do. And then, I remember how this works. There we go. We turn it. See that? When we turn it, ouch, it's hot, it's hot. There we go. So now it's like a throwing star. Now this whole thing will go into this case. And you got to push it down, so it basically forms this circle. There we go. And then it will go inside this nice little package. Now I would put this in first, which is that little grill. So that way it's all in there nice and neat. Then I would add this. And then of course, twist this around. Now our unit goes in. Take our zipper. And there we go. It's all in there together in one unit. You could carry it in your backpack, but like I said, this is over a pound, and there's so many other lighter stoves out there that you wouldn't want to do this. This is more or less for, you know, car camping, boating, keep it in the house in case SHTF happens. It's heavy duty. I mean, this thing is made out of metal. I mean, it is super heavy duty. I really can't see you ever breaking this because of how well it's made. I believe the website even did some tests, okay, where they had somebody stand on it because it'll hold so many pounds is what it'll hold. But it is a pretty impressive one-burner stove. Anyhow, I have links in the bottom. You want to check it out. Hopefully this is enough information for you to make a decision. But you can burn propane or butane with this stove. That's the big major plus with this. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one.